Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the founding attorney of Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. And today I would like to talk about discharge and answer the question, what is a bankruptcy discharge? Maybe talk a little bit about how it actually operates. But first, if you'd like any additional information, please head on over to hollinsbankruptcy.com. If you'd like to get in touch with us to talk about your situation personally, give us a call at 866-86-BILLS. That's 866-862-4557. Now, on to the topic. What is a bankruptcy discharge and how does it operate? Well, one of the reasons people file bankruptcy is to get a discharge. A discharge is a court order that states that you don't have to repay your debts, the debts that are being discharged. Now, some debts can't be discharged. Taxes, some taxes, most taxes, child support, alimony, most student loans, some criminal fines. You're found criminally responsible, or if there's some criminal restitution, those can't be discharged. And any personal injury monies that you owe due to under the influence driving. So if you were in a DUI, OWI, or some type of an influence under the influence of a drug, and you owe money behind an accident like that, those can't be discharged. Other than that, medical debts, credit card bills, loans, all of these things can be discharged. Now, discharge applies to debts that arose before the date that you filed. So again, a discharge is just a court order saying you don't have to pay the debts, but they have to be debts that arose prior to you filing, okay? Now, the judge can deny a discharge if he feels that we're being dishonest or if he feels that something about the debts that we're trying to discharge is not honorable. If we are hiding property of some sort or anything like that, the judge can deny a discharge. But ultimately, that does not happen when you are upcoming and forward with what your assets are and what your debts are, and you submit them in the right way. And of course, that's what we do here at Hollins Bankruptcy, is to make sure that we submit your petition to make sure that nothing is being hidden or falsified, no lies on the record. We obey the law in that regard. Now, a Chapter 7 discharge, which is the most common form of bankruptcy, this is the one that gives you the fresh start. You can only receive one every 8 years. Now, there are some other rules about other bankruptcies that you can do within 8 years. So if you filed a bankruptcy within the last 8 years and you feel that it may be a solution for you again, you should give us a call so that we could talk about what other bankruptcies that may be an option for you. Now, some creditors will hold a secured claim. Now, example of that is like if there's a mortgage on your house, the house that you have is securing the mortgage. Or if you have a vehicle that you're still paying on, the lien on that particular vehicle is holding or is in collateral for the monies owed. Those are secured claims. Now, you do have to pay your secured claims if you'd like to keep them. You have to continue to pay those through the bankruptcy process. However, if you're looking to discharge that car or that home and just say, I no longer want to hold on to that, then those can be discharged as well. Now, if you decide, I want to keep the house, I want to keep the car, then that particular lender or mortgage company may require that you sign a new addendum or what we call a reaffirmation agreement, basically saying, I want to reaffirm the debt. Because bankruptcy is such a strong financial tool that it is almost assumed in the law that you are getting rid of all of your debt, that you are getting rid of the house, you're getting rid of the car. And so in order to keep it, you literally have to sign a reaffirmation agreement saying, I want to reaffirm this debt. So bankruptcy is a very powerful tool. It's something that we don't take lightly here at Hollins Bankruptcy. When you call us, we do it right. We make sure you have all the information to make the right decision for you as to if bankruptcy can be a good solution for you. So again, to answer the question, what is a bankruptcy discharge? It is a court order saying that you no longer have to pay the debts that the court says you can discharge. you get a copy of the order, as well as your creditors get a copy of the order, so they know not to expect payment from you, and they stop their collection efforts on the day of filing. So if you enjoyed this video, if you got some utility or learned something from it, please hit the subscribe, the like button, thumbs up, and please share this with someone else. You never know who may need this information. Again, my name is Michael Hollins with the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. We can be reached at hollinsbankruptcy.com or give us a call at 866-86-BILLS. That is 866-86-BILLS. As always, stay safe and thank you for listening.